Now, I should have done it before and after, or filmed the whole process, but this, if you'll remember, I didn't really show it too much, but the camera may have glanced on it. You notice the seat was stained and it looked like shit. It looked like somebody actually took a shit in one of the sides. I don't even remember which one it was now. But had the wife clean it with her little badass upholstery machine I bought her. I'll show that off here in a bit, but what we're going to do today then is, still waiting for 2 not readies to show up, but I have to drive a good distance today, so should be able to get at least one of them ready, complete, so it's not incomplete. And then before we do that though, now that we've done a good job here, I'm actually going to film the cleaning of the top of the rear seat, passenger seat, and there might be enough time to do the driver's seat also. We're going to armor all it, and I'm going to re-scrub the floors again and shop vac them up, because that thing smells like a cop car. We want it to smell like a regular car, like that car maybe. We're going to do that, and I'll film all that, and then maybe I'll do a separate, do the BMW, because there's a stain on the floor in that car. But I just wanted to show that, I mean, this looks new now. It took like 3 treatments to get it clean. A lot of dirt in the seat. Imagine the other 2 seats are no different. But I'll show you that process, because, I don't know, if you guys like watching things be cleaned like I do, it might be entertaining for some of you. For those who don't like looking at that, I guess you don't have to. But I, for one, love watching things being cleaned. Absolutely love it. And so we're going to film the top seat while it's in the car, the other seats being cleaned while they're in the car, and then we're going to go from before and after. So I just wanted to set the premise, show this first, because I am really impressed with how this turned out. I can't wait for the rest of the car to look just as good. Here's a machine we'll be using, a Hoover of some sort. It says spin scrub clean mode, power scrub elite. I guess that's what it is. Anyway, my carpets were dirty in the house once, and I wanted them cleaned. And the wife said, "Oh, I totally would if only I had a machine that would do such a thing." To which I reply, "So if you had a machine that would clean the carpets, you would clean the carpets? Question mark?" Said, "Yeah, I most certainly would." Boom! So I bought a machine. Now we can clean the carpets. And we can also clean this interior. The seat backs don't look too bad. But part where your ass goes, well, it looks kind of bad. Especially now that we've compared it to the clean seat over yonder. So, alright, we'll set up and you guys can watch cleaning in action. Okay, so we're looking pretty good, Still pretty damp in here, but we are clean at least. I don't have the back seat in yet because I got to scrub the floors with some soapy water, a bucket of it, and a scrubby, and then shop vac it up. So once I clean the windows with some glass cleaner, armor all the doors, and scrubby all that out, and then we should be golden. This thing should smell like a real car again, and we'll be golden. And this is all the icky water that we got out of the Vic today, and that's not counting the bottom of the back seat, which we got like 2 of these things out of. So had to go like 2+ rounds with that, just the back seat where your butt sits. Got all that out, then got some more out, and then now this is the rest of the car, which, believe it or not, was less dirty. But that is the fruit of our labors. This yucky stuff came out of this, so hopefully it'll be looking and smelling nice. Alright boys, doors are now armor-alled, dash is armor-alled, windows have been Windexed. You finished with the scrubbing of the floor, got the back seat reinstalled, so looking pretty good, smelling pretty good. A little bit of water there, should have sucked up the shop vac. Might dab that up with a towel. I can put the floor mats in and this thing's done, but should be all right now, I'm thinking. Should be a legitimate, clean cruising car. So, thanks for watching the cleaning series. We'll be back when we get some more